Today is your EVS class and today's topic is farm animals. Today's topic is farm animals. Yes, farm animals are animals that are raised on a farm. Farm animals include cow, duck, hen, sheep and many others. Okay? Yes. Now take out your book, The World Around Me, and take out page number 3030. 3030. Yes. See, match the pictures of the names of the animals. Match the pictures and the names of the farm animals. Okay. See, pictures of the animals are drawn here and the names of the animals written there. Okay, you have to match it with their names. Okay, yes. So the first one is sheep. Sheep. Where is sheep written? There. है ना? Yeah, match it with the sheep. Then, what is the next animal? Yes, goat. Next is goat. See, where is goat written? There. In the first. Now, match it. Then, what is the next animal? Cow. Yes. See, where is cow written? There. Match it. Then, hen. Hen. See, where is hen written? In the last. है ना? Yes. Then, duck. Duck. Where is duck written? There. है ना? Match it. Okay. Now, move to next page. Page number 31. Match farm animals with the things we get from them. Okay. See. Cow. Cow. है ना? इसमें हमको क्या करना है? इसमें हमको ये करना है कि कौन से एनिमल से हमें कौन सी चीजें मिलती हैं, उससे हमको उनको मैच करना है. Simple. Okay. See, the first one is cow. है ना? Cow. See what we get from cow? Yes, we get cheese and milk from cow. Okay. Then hen. Hen. What we get from hen? Correct. Egg. We get eggs from hen. Then goat. What we get from goat? Yes, meat. We get meat from goat. Then sheep. Sheep. What we get from sheep? Yes, wool. We get wool from sheep. Okay, you have to match it. Okay, my dear children, today's class is over.